Hi there! GrowthDot provides a lot of Zendesk integrations to optimize the workflow within this help desk platform. With the Proactive Campaigns app, you can segment users, send unique mass emails, internal or external, and other types of messages. Create automated campaigns and update user fields. This plugin is also available for Intercom and Jira service management platforms. The email tracking app will help you to track emails and links open and view the statistics about open and bounce rates. Also available for Freshdesk. To send video tutorials or video answers or request a video from your customer, there is a Zendesk integration called Video Reply. It contains a lot of sharing options between agents to improve teamwork. Deleting and anonymizing users' data and related tickets and organization is possible with the GDPR compliance for Zendesk extension. It massively saves your time and costs. For managing sale pipelines and deals, there is a Zendesk Sell Alternative, CRM and Deals application. It's a CRM plugin for Zendesk support that allows closing deals and chatting with customers from one place. AppChat helps create custom fields in Zendesk Chat. The information filled in the fields is also displayed in the Tickets widgets section. With Sanctions Check, investigate the reputation of your customers and quickly find who is on OFAC and OFSI sanction lists. To permanently delete users, tickets, and organizations from the support, Purge My Zendesk application does it in a few clicks. In case you want to conduct regular surveys of the customer service you provide, NPS helps you create different types of surveys and embed them into tickets. If your Zendesk plan includes knowledge base, you can also try fully customizable themes for it or order an individual one. Monitor our website, and you will be the first to know about new applications. See you there!